Hello guys, today I'm going to do this small tutorial in order to show you how to tackle the question 3 and 4 for the ALX assignment about Git. So first of all, I will try to clone my repository that I've already created before. So I will come and then I will copy the link in order to use it. I will use here my VS Code in order to show you how to do it. So to download, I will use git clone. Paste. So as you can see, I've already cloned the repository in my computer, so I will do cd ls records ls to see the file that are inside. Let me do it this way. So we have our file 0 0 that we have to be inside cd git ls. So we have readme bash c and then up to date. Up to date is our branch that we have is the file in the question 4, but here for the question 3 we have to create a new branch, and for in ALX I think that there is a name that they give to this new branch, which is update script. I can show you here. Here are branch. This is the branch that they ask us to create in the assignment. I will use a different name in order to create the branch so that you guys can see how to do it. To create a new branch and then switch directly to this branch, you will use the command git checkout b and then the name of the branch. I can just say new branch, but you guys will use the name of the branch that they give in the assignment. So here it shows that I have created and I am in the new branch. It switch to a new branch. So I will say to show the file that are in this branch, I will just do ls and I will go to bash, cd bash and then ls. You see that there is ALX 98 that they ask us to create. In the assignment you have to create the file 98 ALX that you will replace and then school. So to create a new file you will just use touch. I can say just 58, right? And then you create. It means that you have created a file that the name is 78. So I will do ls to show you the file. This is the 68, the new file that I've created. Let me clear my terminal. Then the second thing to do is to go to the ALX file and then replace the sentence that is inside with another one. So ls to see the content of the file, the ALX file, you do cat ALX. So we have echo ALX is school is school. So to replace this sentence, there is two ways that you can use to replace a sentence. You can use echo. Maybe I can say that let me add a file the way that they use bin, something like cd, and then this one mean the first line, and you can do switch enter, and then you add another one like I am good. Alright, and you add this one and you say this one should go to ALX. Enter it, and when you do cut ALX, you see that there is 2 lines that I have added. So when you want to replace like the second line, like in the assignment that they are explaining, to do it you need to do echo, add this quotation, and then you add the first sentence that is there, and you add this one, and you use the command shift enter, and then you will add the second line that should replace the second line of the file ALX, like this. Or there is also another way to do it. If I just want to add only the line that you can also remove all the text and then add just the line that you have to use. So in this way you just do echo ALX. When I do echo ALX, I remove everything that is in ALX. If I do cut ALX, there is nothing inside. So I can then come and do echo like I am okay to go. Alright, and then I add this one to ALX. When I do cut ALX, the file is there, the sentence is there, I am okay to go. This is how you can modify a file using the command line. So we have already created our branch, and then we have also replaced a content of the file with a sentence. So now I think in the assignment they ask you to come to the main branch and then remove the GS folder. So I will do cd ... to back to git, right, and then I will do git branch. We are in the new branch, so I have to go to the branch master. Let me clear. I will do git checkout master. So you need to understand that master and main are the same thing. So if in the assignment they say you that go back to the main branch, and then you do git branch, and you see that there is master that is in your local, it means that this master is main. So you just have to go back to master. So master and main are the same thing. So master. Then I switch now to the branch master. So I do ls. We have batch, we have C, and we have there is no GS because I have removed it already. But if you want, I will do mkj to add the file GS, right? And I do ls. You see that there is GS. To remove it is just easy. You just do rm r and then GS, and it will remove your GS file. If I do ls, there will be nothing again. Now I will have to add command, commit, and push. So to add all this one to our remote, I will do git add all, then git commit m, and then the commenter should go with comment of update, just something like this. Okay, then I will do git push. Okay, so you see that I've pushed everything already to my repository. To check that what I did is there, we will come here to the repository and then we will check it. Let me actualize this. Okay, so I will come here. You see that there is this. So view all branch. Why is it not showing? Let me come here and see where I've pushed it. Okay. So here I have 1, 2 and 3 branch. Let me go to git and check the branch. It's not showing here, but this is basically what you have to do. You see that the file that I've created is here. The file that this 68 file that I've created is here. Let me go back to the terminal. Do git branch. So let me switch to the new branch and then put it there so that you guys can see that the branch is there. So git checkout new branch, right? Okay, let me clear it. Then I will do git add, git commit. This is new branch. This is new branch. Let me do git push. So when you do the push, this message will be there. So you need to copy it and then add it here, because when you create a new branch and then you try to push the right command is this one. I made a mistake. Next, precourse. CD bash. No, it's 0 1 git. I've quit it, so I'm just trying to go back. So let me do git branch. So we are in the new branch. So I did git push before, and it showed me this message. So the good command to do is to do git push and then set upstream origin new branch, right? When you do it, it will push to your, you will put the new branch to the remote. So when you will follow the same step, you will create your new branch, which is update script, and then you will push. You have to, it will show you this message. You have to copy this command and then you should push it. If we go back to the repository, you will see that the new branch will be there. Let me this, and then check the branch. So we have this is our branch, the new branch that I push it with everything inside. This is how you can solve question 3 of the assignment. So for the question 4, I think that they ask you to go and modify the readme, and then to create a file and add the command that you use for it. So you just go to your repository here, right? You go to this one, you click on it, to modify, you click here, and then you add something like this is the modification that I have made, right? And then you come here, you add the message of the commit, update readme or md, and then you commit it. Then you go back to your terminal. They ask you to create a new file. So I have to switch to the main branch. So git checkout master. Alright, so I'm in the new branch master. Let me clear it. So I will do cat. I just give the name of the file. They give that up to date, and just give the command. To do it directly, there is no need for you to do touch. You can use touch the command to do it, but to do it directly, instead of doing it and then add again the text, you just go directly with echo. You do echo git pull. Git pull is the command that you add to do the update. Git pull, and then you do like this, the name of the file, like the command to add, and do it like this, and then enter it. Now you have to push it to our repository. So I will do git add git commit and command menu, then just the command that you want, and then I will do git push. So if I came here and then I run it, you will see that let me go back to this branch. The file is not here because normally what you are trying to solve here is since you have modified the file. Let me first show you what is going on. Modify the file here, right? Modify your readme. Oh, I made a modification to another place. So you modify the readme. Add modification. Update .md. So if you modify like this and you came here, before I was in another branch, that's why the thing didn't take the modification into account. So let me do the same step like I did echo and then this one, and I do the enter first to create the file, right? And then if I do git add git commit, you see that they say that my branch is up to date, but normally what you are supposed to do is to do git pull in order to have all the updates, right? All the updates in your local repository before doing everything. Like when you do git pull and then you create this file, and then you do git add, and then you do a commit, and then you push. So now everything will be up to date. This is the objective of the question 4. The question 4 is just to go do the modification online. When you do the modification online, you save it, and then you try to work locally and push. There will be a problem. You have to pull it in order to change everything locally also, and then you can now do the git add, git push, and git commit. So guys, this is how you can solve question 3 and question 4. Go and try. If there is any problem that you have with this, these are the two files that I have created. You see, I've created the first one, I've created again the second one. If you have any problem, you can just put it in the comment and I will try to assist you. So I've just take other example in order to show you how to do it, because I don't want to use content of ALX. Thank you guys, see you next time.